Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Chua, and today I'm going to share with you this amazing thing known as Bitcoin. To most people out there, they think that Bitcoin is simply just a digital currency. Perhaps it is not, it is more than that. So I came up with this sentence, hopefully it can enlighten most people. That is, Bitcoin is nothing, therefore it can be anything to be everything. So to elaborate further, let me give you an example. Bitcoin, you can treat it as a currency like USD, and you can make money like how you do it for forex trading. It's similar but not the same. Okay, you can treat it as a precious metal to hedge this inflation. You also can treat it as shares to make money by holding it in the long term, at the same time earning some dividends. You also can become, Bitcoin can also become a tool to transfer money from country A to country B in a faster speed with a very little transaction fee. You also can treat it as an item for you to buy and sell for a profit, like how you do it for selling of handbags, t-shirts and so on. It also can be a mode of payment like credit cards, such as, example, I buy a handphone from my friend. Instead of paying cash or credit card, I can pay it by using Bitcoin. And also it can make money, you can also make money out of it, like how you do it for coal mining. But of course we are not going to dirty our hands, we are doing Bitcoin mining. So after you mine a Bitcoin, you can sell it to the exchange or to anybody that willing to accept it, to buy it. And you also can put it like a bank, that you deposit your money in the bank to earn some pathetic kind of interest. But Bitcoin, you can put it in your hard wallet to earn the interest. And the interest is not just $10 or $20, it can be up to 10,000 or even more. I myself encounter, I'm doing nothing, just put my money, just deposit my money in the hard wallet and make over thousands. Not Sing dollar, it's USD. That is the amazing part about Bitcoin. If you really want to learn more about Bitcoin and perhaps want to know how you can retire with Bitcoin, you can simply click the link above to join my online courses. So hopefully to see you there. And once you join, I will guide you along and will check with you what exactly is your dream. And from that, I will guide you along how you will fulfill it through Bitcoin. Even you are doing business and how it can help you to improve your business, to scale up, you can also join the courses, and using Facebook Messenger, we are able to discuss much further. So remember to click the link above and hope to see you soon. Thank you.